Thank you for feeding us.
It's the way we do things.
Brave girl.
There has to be another way.
Please work. Awful. Hello, future. Dad, I'll cook tonight.
What's this, sweetie?
The proteins are built from the stem cells.
I never knew science could be so delicious.
Shoes off. And feathers too.
No more.
Your family.
Wow. This changes everything, Eli.
What are you making?